Absentee list is another great list to market to. These are landlords. These are people that might have inherited a property. So it's pretty much anybody and everybody that owns a second home that they don't live in. And it's in an area that you want to market to based on market data and stuff that you've pulled. So you're in an area that you want to market to. This house is sitting, you know, there's an absentee owner. Maybe they're renting it out. Could be a burned out landlord, or maybe it's sitting there vacant. Now you take that list and you can stack it. So you can pull code violation lists from the county. This is a data that you can pull free from the county data, and code violation list. So you combine your absentee with code violations. Now this properties have their absentee and they have code violations. Then you can look at liens. Which properties have liens? Then you add liens. Now you're niching down that list even further to a point where you're having a property that's absentee, has code violation, has liens, and might even be in foreclosure, right? So why do you do that? Because now you have a highly distressed list. I mean, I'm talking about a massively distressed list. This person is going through a lot of problems. You understand? So there's going to be levels of motivation, if not right now, in a few weeks.